like as H2O. H2 is not a compound, it's a molecule because it contains only one type of elements. And N2 is also a molecule, not a compound. And NH3 is a compound of nitrogen and hydrogen. And C2H5OH, C2H5OH is also a compound. Okay. The compounds that are formed due to transfer of electrons are called ionic compounds. Those compounds are made up of from transfer of electrons are called ionic compound. So the definition of ionic compound is the compounds that are formed due to transfer of electrons are called ionic compounds, like as sodium chloride, potassium chloride, calcium chloride, and etc. And the compounds that are formed due to sharing of electrons are called covalent compounds. The compounds that are formed due to sharing of electrons are called covalent compounds. Example, hydrochloric acid, methane, ethyl alcohol, etc. And how transfer and sharing electron. Suppose that we have hydrogen and we have chlorine. And hydrogen have one valence electron and chlorine have 7 valence electrons. If hydrogen take one electron of chlorine, then its duplet is completed. If chlorine take one electron of hydrogen, then its octet is completed. So they are sharing one electron, so they are called covalent compound. But if we take sodium and chloride, here valence electron is 1 and here valence electron is 7. So if sodium take one electron of chlorine, then its octet does not complete. So sodium donate one electron to chlorine and make a sodium positive monovalent ion, and chlorine gain one electron of sodium and make one negative anion. So this is the compound of ionic because it's made up by transferring of electrons and they contain positive and negative ions. So this is the ionic compound and this is the covalent compound. Now compounds can be acids, bases or salts on the basis of their properties. So characteristic of compounds. First, compounds are pure chemical substances. Remind it. Compounds are pure chemical substances, not a mixture only. A pure chemical substances which have molecules as their repeating units. Which have molecules as their repeating unit. Second one, they have fixed compositions. They have fixed composition. If we take water molecule, so here a fixed composition, two hydrogen and one oxygen. Always water contains hydrogen and oxygen in a ratio of 1:8 by mass. And third one, separation of compounds can be done. Separation of compounds can be done by chemical method. केमिकल मेथड से हम कंपाउंड्स के एलिमेंट्स को सेपरेट कर सकते हैं. फोर, कंपाउंड्स आर होमोजीनियस इन नेचर. माइंड इट, compounds are homogeneous in nature always. They have constant melting and boiling point. If you take water molecule and water molecules its boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. It's a fix 100 degrees Celsius at a constant pressure. At a constant pressure, if you change the pressure, its boiling point be also changed. Okay, now they are formed as a result of chemical reaction. ये कब बनते हैं? जब केमिकल रिएक्शन होती है तब कंपाउंड्स की फॉर्मेशन होती है. ओके,